Welcome to the Techie Dialogue YouTube channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to apply an image to all pages in a PDF, step by step. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials. Step 1. First, locate the PDF file you want to edit on your computer. Once you've found it, right-click on the file to open a menu of options. Step 2. In the menu, hover over Open With and select Foxit PDF Editor from the list of programs. If you don't have this software installed, you'll need to download it first, as it's essential for editing PDFs. Step 3. Now click on the Edit tab in Foxit PDF Editor. This tab contains all the editing features you'll need to modify your PDF file. Step 4. Next, choose Image Annotation. Position your cursor on the area where you want to insert the image. Step 5. Click and drag your mouse to draw a rectangle. Release it when the rectangle has reached the desired size. This rectangle will define the area for your image. Step 6. In the pop-up, click on the Add Image dialog box. This will open a new window where you can select the image you want to use. Step 7. Then, click on Browse, choose the image, and click on Open. After selecting the image you want to insert, click OK. Step 8. Then right-click on the inserted image, choose Place on Multiple Pages, select the page range as All Pages, and click OK. And that's it. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.